man. He felt, like I said, 3 times today, man. Like, I'm nervous. Can you on this now? It's not for you.
Jaleel, are you tired?
So what are we doing here?
Tammy will definitely lose. This is a competition, but
It is. I will.
ready?
No, I guess I gotta.
I was just gonna go because we both need the stuff. You don't want to get each other's way.
Yeah, that'll slow you down.
Okay, you start the time.
Put that in there.
And go.
1:21.
Wow.
Sounds like a winning time to me.
So,
Ready in 3, 2,
1.
go.
Go, mommy. Go, mommy.
what target? 5 minutes?
Back. Oh, the cord got me too.
That's gonna cost her a lot of time there. My lord, what a upsetting
You yell
performance.
stop
Maybe.
when you're. Go, mommy. Go, mommy. 1 minute, 15 seconds.
What? I thought you need so much more. Either way, I'm winning you. Let me clean up my mess, see, buddy.
I said though, I find it pretty cute that they need a head start. They gotta put their.
Hurry up, something in my combo. And 3, 2, 1, go.
That's what it cost me.
Struggle City.
In the sauce, we've got the cross contamination.
I think that was me still.
It was.
Guppies, Baba guppies.
Smoke these guys real quick. You know what I'm saying?
Let me know when to stop.
Oh, you could just stop right now if you want. Okay. You know what I'm saying?
What is it? What is it?
1:03.
Damn it! Damn it, man!
Didn't even need a cheat.
Yo, look in here.
Greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's your boy Troy, and today I am at IKEA picking up my new bed frame. And Ontario's on a stage 1 lockdown again. But look at this, and they bring out my bed frame for me. Hey, low key, I would much rather have people bring stuff for me. You know what I mean? Feel like a king. Thanks, IKEA. So, the reason I'm breathing so damn heavy, because that bed was so damn heavy. What the hell? God. I felt like I was lifting up a grown-ass man. Holy. Oh, now the building begins. Yeah, so that's pretty much, so what I recorded pretty much was like the highlight of the week that just went by. The reason I haven't really been uploaded since New Year's is because I've just been lazy, wasn't motivated, and I like my me time now, you know? Participating in a lot of self-love and spend time with family, doing little projects here and there, and chilling with friends online. on Warzone if I wasn't getting killed by the DMR. Then switch over to Destiny, which was fun until I realized that there's this super called Stasis, and it doesn't make PvP any fun, but I digress. If you liked the video, like, comment, subscribe, and share. For some reason, I always forget to say share, but please share it. That's only if you like it and all that other good stuff. Finn, peace.